I need to know if you are serious about us. Yeah, baby, your love is cold.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be tackling my house right before the weekend.
What you been up to, drinking all night.
So the first thing I wanted to do was change my daughter's sheets. It's been a minute since I actually changed her sheets, so I will do that first. I had already changed the boy sheets, so the only thing I had to do was hers.
Late at night, saying you need a ride when you don't tell me why. I got a thing about you, you got a thing about me too, but you keep playing with my feelings, even though you know I got a thing about you. We got a thing for each other, so don't go wasting what you feeling. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb.
So the upstairs was overdue for a good dusting. But the good thing about the Swiffer duster is that it makes it so easy for you to just, quickly dust the rooms. But in Georgia, it was so hot. It was in the 70s and it went up to almost 80 degrees. So it was hot in the house. So the AC was running. We had the fans on, and you know what that means? More dust.
It isn't always enough. Sometimes you gotta hide. What you been up to? Drinking all night. Who's that right by your side? Why don't you tell me now? Oh, why you calling me late at night, saying you need a ride when you don't tell me why? I got a thing about you, you got a thing about me too, but you keep playing with my feelings, even though you know I got a thing about you. We got a thing for each other, so don't go wasting what you feeling. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb.
So I come into my son's room and this is what I see on their wall. I'm not going to mess with it. The thing is, my oldest son, he's almost 11 years old. He'll be 11 next month. But my middle son, my second son, he's 9, but he's about 5 inches taller than my oldest son. So my oldest son, of course, he feels like he's in charge because he is the oldest, while my second son feels, because he is bigger, he is in charge. So they're constantly fighting back and forth. I just don't get in it unless it's something like really important. I don't get involved.
I'm free. I'm so proud of who I am. Now I finally found myself. I'm me.
So while I was cleaning this section of the kids' bathroom, I had already sprayed their shower and their toilet so it could get to cleaning while I am cleaning this area of the bathroom. I noticed that when I do that, it gets a lot cleaner. The upstairs needed more of a deeper cleaning, while the downstairs just needed like small stuff like vacuuming, straightening things up, and I also had to dust and vacuum my bedroom. filmed this on a Friday, so like that the whole weekend, because it's a 3-day weekend because of Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday. So like that I don't have to clean, but I bet you by Tuesday my house will look toe up. Last thing I needed to do was wipe down my bathroom. Luckily, it did not need a deep cleaning. I hope you enjoyed this cleaning motivation. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.